Guess what? It's raining, and right now is the best time to clean solar panels. Let me tell you the reason why. I'm gonna go ahead and... Right now, the solar panels are nice and cool, and if you want to get your solar panels working at the best production possible, clean them right before it rains. Tell you the reason why. When you clean them right before it rains, the reason why you want to clean it before it rains is because all this excess dirt is gone. Literally, you can rub this thing and it'll be nice and clean. So what we do is we clean these panels even when it's raining. It's the best time to do it. And you're going to get all the top layer dirt off. That's off. And we use deionized water, so the water itself is going to adhere to the panels very nicely. Like, if you think of it as this way, you have a car that just went through the car wash and you get the spot-free rinse. Well, it's like Rain-X pretty much gonna bead right off of the panels themselves. So when you have deionized water on here, the rain is not going to affect it whatsoever. It's just going to sheet right off, and this is what this is going to do. I just finished these solar panels, just cleaning these solar panels here. I used C1000 on this. It took all the dirt off. No detergents, no agents, nothing. If you have any type of detergent or agent, it's going to void your warranty. Not only will it void your warranty, it basically will attract dirt. And you don't want that. You want the dirt to kind of just go right off. So when we clean solar panels, we like to clean them right before it rains. And some of the customers are saying, no, it's going to rain, let's do it after it rains. Well, it's always best to do it before it rains. That way it's nice and clean, and all the dirt and excess is just going to shear right off. If you do it after it rains, well, it's just more work for the solar panel cleaner. And you're really not going to get the production that you're looking for. A lot of people think that rain is going to going to clean it off and production is going to go up. It does totally opposite. And this has been proven over and over and over again, where after it rains, it gets really, really dirty. There's nothing to protect the panels. So here, we use the deionized water, and that protects the panels themselves. I just wanted to bring this up to you guys real quick. Right now, it's actually raining. And as you can see, up on the roof, it's starting to rain. And this is the best time to do it. I'm actually finished with this here, but got it done just in time before the rain starts. It's supposed to rain really heavy in the next hour, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain. So with that being said, this is clean, and the production is going to be way up there after it rains. All right, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video. We really appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. See you on the next one. Peace.